Alright. Alright. Well, then let's do it. I'm on it. So. This seems like something worthy enough of delaying final studying for. Alright. So, there's my foosball table. That's been thrown to the side. Alright, so, got a piece of paper in front of me. So I don't think it would be very fair to do a bracket featuring all the NHL games if I didn't own the NHL games. So why don't we do like a soundtrack bracket? Because I've gone over how many soundtracks now. Let's see. NHL 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So that's 10. That's a soundtrack. That's a lot of soundtracks. Okay. So we gotta do a bracket of 10. Alright. So let's do... How are we gonna do this? We'll just start... I don't want to seed them because that just seems like, you know, the winner would just... The higher seed would just win because it's a matter of opinion. So it's kind of hard to do it like that. So here's how we're gonna structure it, and I'm writing it down right now because that's why you're seeing black, because I set my phone down because it's really hard to write and record at the same time. So here's how this is gonna work. We have the seeds right here, and then 7 and 10, and then here it's gonna be there, 8 and 9. So winner of this matchup plays this matchup, and then winner of this plays here. So we're just going to go in order then, I guess. So I guess number 2 will be NHL 11, 3 will be NHL 12, 4 will be NHL 13, 5 NHL 14, 6 NHL 15, and that brings us to 7. So NHL 16, 8 NHL 17, 9 NHL 18, and 10 NHL 19. Okay, so the first round matchups are going to be pretty easy. NHL 17 was a really, really bad soundtrack, and so pretty easy to boot that one off. That was maybe even the worst soundtrack of all the games. Okay, so NHL 16 and 19. NHL 16 also had a really bad soundtrack, and NHL 19 had more good songs than NHL 16. So we're just gonna put NHL 19 over here. So here's what it looks like right now. We get down to the quarterfinals, I guess. NHL 10 or NHL 18. I don't think any of the post NHL 15 soundtracks are getting out here because NHL 18 just didn't have enough good songs. So we're gonna put NHL 10. Alright. NHL 2 numbers due to NHL 11 and NHL 19, and obviously I'm gonna have to go with NHL 11 here because it's just better. Alright, NHL 12 and NHL 15. Yeah, NHL 12. So yeah, we have eliminated all of those soundtracks. And then NHL 13 and 14. That's kind of a tough one. But I did state in my NHL 13 video that NHL 13 was not as good as NHL 14. So, here's the semifinals right now. And then if I had to pick a win, like NHL 10 and NHL 14, that's tough. But I gotta go with NHL 14. Because it's got too many good songs to not put at the top, I mean, NHL 10 lacks Bullet for my Valentine. So, actually, I'm going to put NHL 11 too, because it does have Bullet for my Valentine. Alright, and now we got these two soundtracks going up against each other. And then I gotta go with NHL 11, because it was just a really good soundtrack. And this might be biased, because I owned NHL 11 and not NHL 14. But anyway, here's the bracket. So yeah, that's taken care of.